Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a cute and comfy dress that is also super versatile, I want to show you this one here from Lamilus. I absolutely love this dress for so many reasons, but number one, it is incredibly comfortable. So this is made from a cotton poly blend and it literally feels like you're wearing pajamas or a t-shirt, but you still look put together, so it's awesome. I love a lot of the cute details on this dress that make it unique, like the ruffle sleeves and the button front detail. So these buttons are non-functional, which I love because there's no chance that they're gonna pop open, but they add that really cute little detail and interest to the front of the dress. The shape of the dress is great too because it has sort of a fit and flare look, so it's really flattering for all different body shapes. And I also found that it is true to size. So I have it here in a size small. I typically wear about a small or a size 6 in dresses and it fits just right. I also love the V-neck, which is pretty subtle, so it isn't a super deep V. So it's a really modest dress that you can wear in all different circumstances. And it also comes to just below my knee and I'm about 5'2". So if you're looking for the perfect comfortable dress to wear in tons of different occasions, then I would definitely check out this one from Lamilus. Super happy with this, and that's my point of view.